Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to share with you guys how to withdraw money from Wiko app. Yes, I know a lot of people might be saying, Stalin, so you're talking about Wiko app since 3 days now. Oh yes, I got to talk about Wiko app because it's giving me joy. It's one of the best target app I've come across so far. So if you have not joined Wiko app, I don't know what is holding you. Go to my description and grab the link and start working on Wiko app. And if you're the type of person that usually invests on sites, this Wiko app is for you, because if you invest on weekend like this, by Sunday you place your withdrawal, by Monday you will be your phone will be doing grrr, 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 a lot good too. So without wasting much time, let me take you guys on how to withdraw from Wiko app. Hi besties, my name is Selene. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, let me introduce myself to you guys. I'm Selene. I share about money making apps. Yeah, feel free to try any of the apps. Okay, I am not a financial advisor. For disclaimer, I'm just sharing the apps that I am working. All right, so earnings may vary, so take your time to make research before depositing, before joining. So guys, let's get it going. Click on me, then you click on host center. So once you click on host center, it will open. You click on bank account. As you can see, I've do this thing. As you can see here now, I've added my two payment method here. I added my USDT TRC20 and my local bank account. So once you come here, add anyone you want. If you're withdrawing with coinseller, add your local bank account. If you're withdrawing with official, add your USDT account. Okay, so I've add mine. I'm going to go ahead and click the one that I want to use right now. I want to use USDT. So after adding your own, click on use. Okay, click on use so that it will be the one that will be all. So we go back. So we go back, then you click on income. Yeah, as you can see, I have amount of money that I can withdraw through official right now. So I'll click on withdraw. Yeah, so coinseller, if you want to withdraw with coinseller, you leave it at coinseller, because coinseller can withdraw $1 for you, $5, $10, $20, but official will withdraw for you from $50. So I'm going to go ahead and click on official right now because it's one I'm going to withdraw with. Are you seeing it? Official is from $50, and yeah, $50, $100, $200, $300, $400, and $500. And their withdrawal day is on Sundays. Sundays before 10 p.m. Nigerian time, you have placed your withdrawal. Okay, so that by Monday morning your phone will be doing grrr, grrr, grrr. You see your alert. So as you can see, is $50 is already highlighted. If it is $100, you click on $100. If it is 200, you click on 200, 300. Any amount you're withdrawing, you click on GSM. Is $50 I'm withdrawing, so I leave it on $50. Okay, so I'll click on submit. My distance, my payment method is already here. Are you seeing it? My USDT. So if it is coin seller now, it also show coin seller. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and place the withdrawal. I'll click on submit. Withdrawal succeeded. Have you seen it? If it is coin seller now, it will ask you, it will bring out the names of the name of the coin seller. You understand? It will bring out coin seller names, then ask you to choose. You choose your coin seller, the person you're buying coin from. Okay, and once you click on submit, it will ask you, are you sure you want to withdraw from so person? You said yes, and you place your withdrawal. So that's how to place withdrawal on this app. Wiko. It's very easy and simple. If you want to exchange your gold coins, you click on exchange and exchange. All right, so thank you guys for watching. God bless you all. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications so that whenever I make a new upload, you will receive it. And to all my returning subscribers, more, I love you guys so much because you guys are giving me joy. All right, may God bless you all. Continue checking on me. All right, oh my God, we'll celebrate this channel one day by the special grace of God. This 2026, we're gonna celebrate my 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 monetization because I'm not yet monetized on this channel, so I'm working towards it. And with the help of you guys, I know that I'll make it. Just yay! All right, guys, thank you all for watching. Bye. See you all in my next one.